you into a golden snail, Chandrakirana. What? No, don't do that. Don't curse me. Hey guys, do you hear that? Echoes from a fading dream. What's happening? And most importantly, do you know their story? But wait, let me introduce myself first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najwa Kinantika from MTSN Surakarta. Okay, I will continue my story about chaos mass. Long time ago, there lived King Kertamarta in Daha Kingdom. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a very beautiful and kind girl. But her sister wasn't evil. One day, Chandrakirana was engaged to a handsome prince of Kauripan Kingdom named Raden Inu Kartapati. This engagement made Dewi Galuh envied to her sister. Then she went to witch to harm Chandrakirana. Hey, the witch, I want you to do something for me. Curse Chandrakirana, and I will give you whatever you want. I will be Nuskartapati's wife. No, Chandrakirana. I said no. Don't worry, princess. You will get whatever you want. I can do everything. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. Hey, Chandrakirana, I will curse you into a golden snail. Sim salabim abracadabra. Poof! Chandrakirana transformed into a golden snail. Then Dewi Galuh threw the golden snail to the river. One day, in a quiet village, an old woman was fishing using a net. When she was about to lift the net, she saw a golden snail transporting. Then she brought the golden snail home and put it in jar. The next day, she returned to the river to look for fishes. But unfortunately, she didn't get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes on the top of the table. It occurred over and over in the next days. Curiously, an old woman faked a trip to the river, then hid behind her house and peeked inside. To her surprise, the golden snail transformed into a beautiful girl cooking a meal. Amazed, she stepped inside. Who are you, beautiful girl? I'm a princess of Daha Kingdom. The witch cursed me into a golden snail because of my sister. She was jealous to me. Knowing her story, the old woman let her stay in Dadapan village. Meanwhile, Raden Inu Kartapati was heartbroken when Chandrakirana disappeared. He disguised himself as a villager and searched across the kingdom. The witch knew that. Then she disguised as a raven to kidnap him. Luckily, he met an old man who warned him to be careful. When the raven attacked, the old man struck it with his stick. The bird vanished. Grateful, Raden Inu Kartapati explained his journey and followed the old man's advice to go to Dadapan village. After days of walking, he was very thirsty. Then he saw a small hut. and looking through the window, he was shocked. It was his fiancée cooking inside. Amazed, she stepped inside. Chandra Kirana smiled. Yes, it's me. This kind old woman saved me and gave me shelter. Raden Inukartapati thanked her deeply and took them both back to the palace. After they came back to the palace, the king felt happy. Meantime, Kalu ran away from the palace to fear of punishment. And finally, they were married and lived happily ever after. Okay guys, this is story for today, and you know, from the story we can learn. Truth will triumph over evil, and a good heart overcome evil and envy. So, don't forget to always be a good person, because the golden snail know light wins. Thank you for the listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.